Project cost estimation methods explained. If you want to deliver your project successfully, you need to estimate the project budget correctly by using different types of cost estimation methods. While creating a baseline budget, you need to consider delivering the project with the highest possible value and making a respectable profit. However, it is difficult to balance both your profit and the value of the product. Because all the time the client wants to receive more but pay less. Likewise, contractors always want to do less but earn more. As a project manager, it is your responsibility to deliver the project on budget with a respectable profit. Estimating the project budget. In project management, an estimate is an approximate calculation of the effort and costs to complete the task or the project. From this aspect, an estimate provides a guide of how much it will cost to deliver something. Therefore, it should be made before starting a project. However, it is difficult to manage a cost estimation process that involves various parameters and uncertainties. As a project manager, while creating a project budget, you have to make accurate forecasts and guess lots of things. If your estimations are wrong, you will find yourself in big trouble. On the other hand, if you follow some basic steps while creating your project's budget and combine it with a statement of work, you will create your project's budget easily and properly. Why do you need cost estimation? You need to know your cost and what you're going to charge the clients. Cost estimation provides clarity to each party involved in the project. Cost estimation techniques help to break down the project into major steps and tasks. You can assign a milestone for an important task and track the performance. Cost estimation helps to create a resource and a funding plan. You can detect the bottlenecks of your project and determine when you run out of cash. Since the estimates involve information regarding the task, allocated resources, rates, duration, and markup, they can be used for dispute resolution between the parties if any dispute occurs. Types of cost estimation methods in project management. Analogous estimating. Analogous estimating is a rough estimation technique that estimates the cost of a project by analyzing the data of a past project. Although it is a quick method, it does not provide a straight estimation. Bottom-up estimating. In bottom-up estimating, you estimate the cost of each deliverable to estimate the overall cost of the project. It provides an accurate estimation. Expert judgment. Expert judgment is a simple technique that is based on historical data. In this technique, professionals provide their knowledge to estimate the cost of the project. Parametric estimating. Parametric estimation technique uses historical records as well as statistical data to estimate the cost of the project. It provides accurate results. Three-point estimating. Three-point estimating uses three estimates, most likely, optimistic, pessimistic, to estimate the costs. Tips for conducting an effective project cost estimation process. 1. Know the project objectives. The first thing to do before starting the estimation process is to gather information regarding the project. Understand the objectives of the project and the client's requirements to guess the resources to be allocated. 2. Have a preliminary project schedule. A preliminary project schedule involves information regarding the milestones and the duration of major project deliverables. Having a preliminary schedule helps to forecast resources and their working calendar as well as forecasting indirect costs. 3. Decide the type of project cost estimation method. Decide which method are you going to use for cost estimation. If you need a very rough estimate, you can decide to use an analogous estimation technique instead of a bottom-up estimation. Note that more accurate methods are costly and time-consuming. 4. Break down the project into meaningful sections. No matter what type of estimation method you are going to use, you need to break down the project into meaningful sections to see the whole picture. 5. Create a checklist. Create a checklist and ask questions regarding your assumptions. 6. Check and correct the mistakes. Once you have completed the cost estimate, check it to avoid mistakes. Check the rates, formulas, and quantities to make sure that they are correct. 7. Know the importance of cost estimation process in project management. Know the importance of cost estimation in project management to create correct project budgets,